I just really, it's just too much work to sit in a chair. So we're sitting on the floor today, and I know I look like I'm in my pajamas. I'm not. This is just like a really cozy house sweater, which I actually got from the Rosy Days boutique, Casey Holmes boutique, when it was closing. And when I opened it, I bought a mystery bag. When I opened it, I was like, it's freaking leopard print. Like, I don't like animal print. I'm not an animal print person at all. But I was like, whatever, I'll just wear it around the house. It's like my favorite thing. It's so cozy. It's like plush and just plush and squishy feeling. I love it. Anyway, they were here because in a moment of weakness, I reactivated my FabFitFun subscription. And I'm here to open the summer box. I did get to choose everything in the box, and I could not, for the life of me, remember one single thing that I chose. So it'll be fine. This is the box. This box just got a nice tan. So let's open it. As always, we have the HelloFresh thing in here. Invite your friends and family to join in the FabFitFun by sending them a free starter box. You just pay for shipping. So, oh yeah, maybe you scan that QR code. I do like FabFitFun. I've had the subscription off and on for a long time. Even if the gifts are things that I won't use, they're a good quality to pass on to someone else. So I like that. I don't know what this is. Hopefully. This is a purse. I mean, I have no memory of. Is this mine? I have zero memory of choosing this. It's cute, but like, I don't know if you guys have noticed my vibe. It's, my light just went out. It's pretty casual. Okay, I had to move so I could plug my light in because I need light. Yeah, I genuinely have no memory of choosing this. I couldn't tell you anything, but there's no book in here either. I feel like that's probably all on the app, so I will put that information on here. The only thing I can think for this is there was nothing in this category that I super wanted. So when that is the case, I just choose the highest valued item, because if I'm going to pass it on to someone, it's a good value at least. This is how it works in my mind. It's super cute. I just don't think I would ever use it. That's really funny. Anyway, that's the first thing. There's no brand or anything. Oh, Amber Seats, but with a C, like S-C-E-A-T, Skeets, Seats? I don't know. I have no idea. I mean, I wonder if I could take this to a concert. Is that 4x6? No, it's bigger than that. But I could make it work with my racerback workout tank top and flip-flops. That's my concert vibe. Anyway, cake stand top. I promise you, I was not like drinking when hold on. I don't remember this. Oh, there's a cake stand here. I was really alarmed. It's literally just the top. There's another box. See, this is basically a mystery box at this point. I mean, imagine there's no plastic on it. I have no idea. I will use this every so often. I do like that it comes apart because I love the idea of an old school cake stand, and just old, especially when I say old, I mean like Depression era glassware is my absolute favorite thing. I wish I could exclusively use that. But the problem with a lot of that is the size of it. I don't have storage for it. They're all different. A lot of those are bigger shapes than we maybe use today because we're not as fancy. So I do like that this comes apart. A cake stand, eh? Okay, this is the Truly Clear Wrinkle Fighting 3-piece set. Wear overnight or for a minimum of 3 hours. You can rinse them off with water and pat dry to reuse them. I do remember these. That's fun. Reusable up to 20 times. The IGK Legendary Dream Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. It's not bad, but it's not my favorite scent. Let's see, what does this say it's gonna do? You have any hair type. You want perfect hair. How to get it: apply to wet hair and massage into scalp hair. Rinse, follow with conditioner. I love a new shampoo and conditioner, you know. I'm always trying for more volume, so I don't have to wear my hair in a stupid bun all the time. This is the Avant Hyaluronic Centella Asiatic Extract Meadow Foam Seed. Oh my gosh. Intensive Restoring and Detoxifying Centella Cica Moisturizer. And I think this is another thing that was just like, I didn't really want anything specific in this category, so I just chose the most expensive item available. I always have moisturizers that I need to use, so that's cool. This is beige. This is the Lost and Wander passport wallet. I haven't used my passport is expired, but this is actually, like, this could be kind of just a cute wallet. What's hilarious is I chose all of these things. But that's cute. It's like nice to hold everything. I would love to travel and need my passport. We just don't. These are from Bobble Bar. This is a build your own bracelet kit. I got this for my daughter. She loves making little bracelets. We have probably 95 trillion beads, but who doesn't want 175 more, you know? So like that. I got this set from Boca, this Boca toothpaste and stainless steel tongue cleaner. This was a thing that came together. I've heard a lot of people talking about this Boca toothpaste lately, and I just wanted to try it. Is it minty? Oh yes, I love minty. Ooh, I can smell it already. Oh my gosh, that smells so good, so minty. I love, nothing is better than just minty toothpaste. I love that. So I don't know, never tried it. We will try it. Next we have this guy. This is from Danny Joe. Oh, I remember this. This is an anklet, and typically I'm not an anklet person. I kind of want to be, but this also had a very high value. I think the value of this was like $120, and I was like, well, yeah, I'm gonna pick that because there was nothing else that I super duper wanted. There we go. You didn't see my feet. It's actually really lightweight and really comfortable. So we'll see. Maybe I'll become an anklet girl. I do try to stay up on the trends, you know. And then the very last thing is, I think the thing that kind of pushed me over the edge and made me reactivate, and this is a giant like cooler bag, and it's from Business and Pleasure. I like the color and the pattern, and it's giant. And I love a cooler bag. You can use it with like ice pack. Oh, it's a cooler bag. No, I love a cooler bag for like going to Costco or whatever. And it's cute. I'll put the retail value of everything individually as it was on the screen. You saw that, and then the total value on the screen here. I do like the thing. Typically, the fall FabFitFun box is usually my favorite, so I'm already kind of excited to see what's gonna be in the fall. Not excited for fall. But fall, no, I'm not gonna say that, no. So we'll use all these things. Maybe I'll just rock a fancy rhinestoned bag for, you know, going to the grocery store. Who knows? You never know. If you guys are FabFitFun subscribers, I would love to know what you got in your summer box. I know that I think there are a lot more customization options, which is fun because if you're paying for an expensive box, you want to know that you're gonna use the things in them. So I'd love to know what you chose, and thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video.